Hello, it's Ron back here today. We have the Fimi Mini 3 drone, the latest drone from the good folks over at Fimi here. And small disclaimer, I've still got my head cold, whatever you want to call it. So I'm still kind of talking a little hoarse here in the video. So bear with me here. We're going to do a quick and dirty unboxing of what comes with the little Fimi Mini drone. This drone usually sells for $349 over the official Fimi website and over the AliExpress Fimi store here. You can sometimes catch it on sale for $299, but it's normally everyday selling price is $349. So let's get right into the unboxing portion of this video. Okay, on with the Fimi Mini 3 unboxing here. Now here's the box. Has a nice picture of the drone here. This is the orange version. I believe it also comes in a white beige type color. And here's the side of the box here. Just to see how thick this is here, you can compare a iPhone 14 Pro, not the Max, just normal. So this is how thick the box is compared to the normal size iPhone. Okay, so here's the part of the back here which shows you the stuff you get with it. But we're not going to read all that out because we're going to show you here in a second. It just has some other stuff here. You telling you some of the specs and stuff here, which we've kind of gone over in other videos here. So inside the box again, and the front here, just some of the features it's telling you it has here. It's a under 250 gram drone, shoots 4K 60 video, 48 megapixel images, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, AI super night video mode here, 9-kilometer transmission distance, and Type-C fast charging. So yeah, so that's it on the specs inside the box. Poof. It's magic. Everything's out of the box already. Saved us a few minutes there of messing around. Okay, so first off is, of course, the drone here. This is the, the Fimi Mini 3, the latest generation of the Fimi Mini drones here. It has the screw-on tiny propellers like most of the mini drones, have, like the DJI and the Altel ones. Kind of the same thing there. It has your, gimbal guard like most of these drones do. This features a 1.5-inch sensor camera here. It's a Sony camera, but it's it's a what do you call it? It's a backside stack sensor, so you get a little bit more of a quality and video boost than your typical 1/2-inch quad bear sensor. So and it says here, if you probably can't read that, it's also capable of 48 megapixel photos here. So yeah, there's no obstacle avoidance. This drone is up here. It's not obstacle avoidance. It's just for decoration only. Here's kind of like a heat vent here, heat release vent. There are downward sensors for it to land better. Some optical flow, and some downward facing sensors there. This is the start button. You hold that down, kind of just like a DJI drone. Short press, long press, start it up. Then you have the LED lights to show you how much battery's left there. And here's a little LCD on the back here that'll blink different colors. Charge the batteries by just putting a USB-C charging cable right in the battery, in the drone or out of the drone. Here's another little port down here. I'm not sure what that port's for. Let me take the battery out here. So push up this little tab here and then pull straight back at you. There, come out a little bit stiffer than some of the other drones here. It's hard to show you this stuff on camera where I can't just get the thing at an angle. It's not that hard getting the battery out. It's just hard getting out on the screen here. Okay, so there's the battery out. And there's a memory card slot. I have a memory card in it now. I don't know why that USB-C port there. I don't know why that port's there. That must be if you want to directly hook the drone to the computer. And there's a little switch there that I don't know what that little switch is for. Whether it's even active or not, I do not know. So this is some information inside, and you can see some of the circuitry in the drone there. You may or not be able to see it based on the light here. So yeah. So that's it. It's a folding folding arms like many of these mini drones. You fold that one in first, then fold this one back. This is the battery that comes with the drone here. This is a rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery. This battery is light. It will keep you, under your 250 grams. So it's legal to fly in the U.S. without registration and without a remote ID module on it. This drone does not come with remote ID. Just to let you know, you would have to add a module to it if you planned on using it to do commercial work. A heavier battery is available for the drone. Of course, this gives you extra flight time. I haven't done testing yet, so I can't give you the exact flight times or the difference between the normal battery and this battery here. But again, this one will give you more battery life, but will also put you over 250 grams. So at that point, you would have to register your drone. Here's the standard controller. This does not run on Fimi's smart controller. It only runs on this base controller here. This has come with a lot of Fimi drones over the years. It kind of expands. You can put different size phones in there. It has your two antennas that go up here. The sticks are down at the bottom here, nestled in here, so you would pull them out, connect them up here. I won't put the other one on. So your sticks are on. This is your on-off button over here. This is your return to home kind of landing button here. On the back side here is a gimbal control wheel. This starts video. Stops video. This takes photos over here. Down here is another USB-C port. You pick the cable that you need. You get I think 3 of them. This is the USB-C, of course, on here to Lightning for an iPhone. There's also a USB-C to USB-C for Android phones. And I think there may be a third cable. Let me check. Okay, no, I'm wrong. There's only a USB-C to USB-C, so there's no micro USB cable here, but you used to get with all the drones. Okay, here is a USB-C to USB-A cable for like charging up the controller of the drone, I gather. Here's a little screwdriver to change propellers. Here are the extra set of propellers. It looks like you get a half set of propellers, one of each, 1A set and 1B set, and you get extra screws up top here. I'm not going to pull these out. And here's a couple little booklets you get. Here is a disclaimer and safety operations guide here. Looks like half of it's in Chinese, half of it's in English. Very small print, so if your eyesight's not good, you're going to need some strong reading glasses or magnifying glass. And here is the DJI Mini 3 quick start manual here. Same drill. Half of it's in Chinese, half of it's in English. Print's a little bit bigger than the other guy, but again, if you don't have good eyesight, get yourself a good pair of reading glasses or bring your binoculars. Magnifying glass, so you could bring your binoculars too. That's a quick and dirty unboxing of the Fimi Mini 3 drone here. I've already completed my first flight test, and I got that posted up on YouTube. So I will put the link the video at the end here, be over the side here someplace. So go over and click that and watch that first flight. And let me know if you have any questions about the unboxing or what comes with it. Comes with a drone. And we're going to go over cost and pricing too. And we've already gone over cost and pricing at the beginning of this video. Sorry. So we won't do this at the end here. So we'll say our usual. Hope you subscribe to the channel. We hope you'll give this video 2 thumbs up. We hope you'll subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring that bell notification so you know when I put up new videos on the Fimi Mini 3 and other drones and cameras. And, that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.